welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a twist, 2-strand twist on her
my hair.
And you?
I'm Favor, I'm her first daughter, and she's gonna be doing some twists on my hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna be twisting her hair. The hair has been washed, moisturized with shea butter rice and coconut milk. She used it yesterday to moisturize her hair and put it in patterns. She doesn't moisturize all at a go. She will have to divide them in small pieces to moisturize it. She did that, the washing, the moisturizing, and she already done this part. She already twisted this part, but after she held them together, now she asked me to help her out and do the back. Maybe she will do the front, or I may do all. I don't know, depends on her, because she enjoys making her hair by herself. So we're gonna be making this hair. So guys, for making a 2-strand twist, I have to cut out the hair I will work on, and I spray it some water, because water is what moisturizes the natural hair to bring back elasticity on it, to avoid breakage and dryness. Then I massage the water into the strand of hair that I've cut out, the pattern I will work on. Then you can use gel or cream, or there are twisting creams, but in this case I'm using a gel like cream. Is some sort of custard cream. It's in a spray bottle, so that's what my daughter likes in using for making her braids or her twist. So that's what I applied here. Is an S-Coil product. So after the application, I twist the hair through. This process went on. I repeated it for each hair that I parted out until I finished the whole hair. So that was the process that I did over and over till I made the whole hair. And the hair took lots of hours. Normally before it takes like 4 hours, but recently I've learned how to become faster with it. It can now take 2 hours and a half or 3 hours to make her natural hair without extension, because her hair is so full and thick. Yeah. Actually, she trimmed her hair yesterday when she washed it,
And I trimmed it a lot.
Yeah, but it's good. So for making
a
twist,
to look more full.
When you parted the hair you will work on, you massage and spray the products you want to use on it with water. You massage it in and you cut the hair into 2. Then you twist one round over the other in a fast method. That's how you will be doing it, holding it tight, crossing the hair over the other, one over the other. You can go left twist or right twist, but I always do right twist, going to the left rather. So that's how I did it. When you part the hair, you divide it into 2. Then you cross one over the other, one over the other on a continuous process, moving down, holding it tight so the twist will be tight, and you go on and on to finish the hair. Yeah, the hair has been going on, and now I'm about doing the front. Now, to do the front side of the hair, you have to reduce size. When you start with the big patterns at the back and the middle part of the hair, and it reaches the front, you reduce the cutting so that the hair will be well full in the front. So that's what you see me doing now. I took my time to part it in small parts so we can get enough hair to do there in the front and get the hair full. Can you turn? Oh, can you see that? So nice. Can you twist your hair? Can you wave? Let's see. Okay, this is our Afro hair. This is Afro hair. Tell me if she will be needing attached to make her hair in any way. Does she need it? Because I know people, no matter the length of their hair, they still need it. It took me hours, but I tried to rush it so I can do some other things. So that's the final look. Ciao. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. You have seen the hair. It came out nice. Hope you like it. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take care and God bless you all. Keep subscribing if you haven't done so. Just go on and subscribe and like the video, share, show some love. Okay? See you guys in my next